Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of linguistics and text processing as we explore the concept of vowels. In this video, we will learn how to write a JavaScript function that identifies whether a given character is vowel or not. So first we understand the vowel in a language. Vowels are class of speech sounds produced without any significant constriction or closure in the vocal tract. In the English language, the letter A, E, I, O, and U are commonly recognized as vowels. Identifying vowel in the text is a fundamental task in the language processing, text analysis, and even in everyday communication. So let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write a JavaScript tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we define a function to check if a character is a vowel or not. So first we create a function and give a function name is vowel. You can give any name to it. So in this function, first we convert the character to a lowercase for case insensitive comparison. So here I write character and is equal to, so this function take a parameter as a char, mean we can send a text or send a character to this function, and this function convert this character into a lowercase. So here I write char, I write char, and here I use a to lower case function here. This is a built-in function that convert uppercase to lowercase, correct? Okay. After that, I check the character if is one of the vowel. So here I write return, and here in array I pass some value like A, E, I, and O, and next I write U. This is a vowel character, and when a character here pass, it check the value from this, and if value found here, it return true, otherwise it return false. Okay, so here I write includes, and then I pass char. After that, I use a console.log method to send a character to this function and then call a function here. Okay, so here I write console.log, and in this console.log first I write some message here is A, and then here I write a vowel, and here I use comma, and then here I write is vowel function, and here I pass a character. Save this. So what we can do in this code, first we create a function with the name of is vowel, and it take a char argument. Okay, we send this value from here, and when a value comes here, it convert this into a lowercase. If we put a value here in uppercase, it convert into a lowercase. Okay, after that we write a array of vowel character here, and then this character match with this character. Okay, and if matching is found, means vowel is match, then it return a true value, otherwise it return a false value in a console. So now I go to a browser, and here you can see I reload a page, and in console you can see is A is a vowel, it's a question, and then it's send a true message. Okay, because A is a vowel character. If I pass here unvowel character, so here I write W, and then here I pass W character. Now I save the file and go to a browser, and you can see is W a vowel, it's a say false, mean W is not a vowel character. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to write a JavaScript function to identify vowel in a text. Understanding basic linguistic concept like vowel is crucial for various text processing tasks and algorithm development. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.